Hi guys, in this video I'll be reviewing the form builder app called Formaloo, which is considered a great alternative to Typeform Paperform. Before getting into the video, if you like this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, if you are interested in getting your hands on this deal, feel free to make use of my affiliate link which is given in the description below. As an affiliate, I may earn a small commission when you make a purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Now, before we get into the Formaloo app itself, first let's compare the Formaloo's regular pricing and then compare it with the lifetime deal they are running on AppSumo. First, let's go to their website. First, they have their free plan, and next, they have their plus plan, which comes at $19 a month. And last, they have their pro plan, which comes at $49 a month. It comes with premium features such as remove formula branding, more cloud storage, download and publish rebranded mobile apps, and daily backup. Now let's compare it with the deal they are running on AppSumo. As you can see, they have different tiers of plan. The first tier starts at $59 and it goes all the way up to $239. Of course, you can afford tier 4 and tier 5, which comes with premium features such as SAML with SSO and enterprise control database encryption. That's it for the pricing section. Now let's get into the Formaloo app itself. This is what you will see when you log in into your Formaloo account. As you can see, it contains different number of elements which can be confusing, but I'll take you through each element one by one so you don't get confused. This is where you will see all the templates within the Formaloo app. Of course, you can view all templates or create one from blank. When you click blank, you get two options. You can either select single step or multi-step. And as for the folders, you can create new folders. You can type a folder name and also you can choose between different folder colors. That's it for the folder section, and this is where all the uncategorized forms will show up. And on the left you have the navigation, and on the top right you have the invite friends button, upgrade button, and account section. So that's it for the interface section. Now let's get into the templates part. Let's click all templates, and as you can see they have a lot of variation of templates from which you can choose from. It is categorized into different categories from which you can choose from. As for the matter of this review, I'm not going to go into every form individually. I'll take book and appointment form as an example. When you hover over this form, you get two options. You can either demo the form or pick the form. Let's click demo. As you can see, it shows the demo of the form which we are going to build. It also shows how it looks on different devices. This looks on desktop and tablet and phone. So if you like this form, you can click pick this template. So once this loads, you get to see a different set of options, and this is where things get complex. But don't worry, I'll take you through each features one by one. So as you can see, you got add field. This is where you get your drag and drop options to build your form. And also you got the edit field. This is where the options will be preloaded when you edit a specific element in the form. I'll show you an example. First click text as an example, and as you can see it switched to the edit field. You can edit your title, description, etc. So that's it for the edit section. Now let's get to the settings section. As you can see, you can customize your address, you can select the category, you can select the start and end date of the form, you can set the redirect URL, and also you can set a timer, and also you can put cap on the maximum number of responses, and also you can choose the payment method. That's it for the settings section. And now for the design section, you get three options. You can either select multi-step or single step or widget. So as for the sections, you can customize your button color, background, fields color, background image, etc. This is where you can play with your design aspects of the form to further customize your forms. And next we have the notifications. So this is where you are going to set a notification email for each responses you have received. And next we have the calculator section, which opens in a new dashboard. I would rather prefer it to be open in the same tab, but this isn't a deal breaker. So this is where you are going to handle all the calculations involved in the form. You can play with the different options, and these calculations varies based on the forms you have created. And next we have the logic feature, which also opens in a new tab. As you can see, it handles the different logics involved in the form. You can zoom in and zoom out, and also you can drag and drop the logics to fit your requirements. This is basically a mind map of what your forms are going to do. And if you are not satisfied with this customization, you can further advance your logic and customize the options you got: if, otherwise, always, and then options. So you can choose between different options to fit your requirements, vice versa. That's it for the logic section. Now last we get to the result section. It also opens in the new tab. So as you can see in the summary, we get to see all the responses summary we have received so far. And if you click charts, you can see each responses we have received individually in the form of charts, which is very eye attractive and easy to digest. And under the responses section, we have all the responses we have received from different forms. And for the integrations and webhooks, Formaloo integrates with a different set of applications including Google Sheets, Slack, and Trello, and even Zapier. So as for the share feature, you can share your form directly to your audience, or you can embed it in a web page. You got four different options. When you click the option, you can customize the embed mode and obtain your code. That's it for the chef section. And as for the presentation mode, this is one of the unique modes you will find in the form builder apps in the market. This mode is especially useful if you are offering your services to a client. You can share this link with your client to show your progress and whatnot. And also you got a ton of different options to further customize your presentations. So that's it for the presentation section. Now let's get into the Formaloo dashboard and see all the stuffs it has to offer. So and also we got CDP section, which is like a centralized database or location which manages all your forms contents. So as you can see, we got the dashboard where it shows the summary of all the form statistics. And for the customers, this is where we get to see all our customers in one easy database table. and we can add our own campaigns, and we can contact via SMS or contact via email. Then we can add our tags here, and we can add our websites here. For example, if you got a WooCommerce store, we can add it here. And last, we have the map view. In map view, we have, it will show all the statistics in a map like style with different colored bubbles, which is excellent feature. Now let's get to the disadvantage of Formaloo. Formaloo only supports Stripe as payment gateway, and the next con of Formaloo is its user interface is pretty much basic. It requires an overhaul or rework, which would be appreciated. And it also does not support custom domain with DNS. So that's it for the Formaloo review. As for my thoughts, Formaloo is considered a great cheap alternative to the likes of Typeform, which is very expensive in the market. However, Formaloo has its own set of problems, but it has its potentials, and if the developers continue to fix the problems and release updates, Formaloo is sure to be one of the best lifetime deal apps you can find on the marketplace today. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave the like. And also, I have given my affiliate link in the description below. Feel free to make use of this if you are interested in getting your hands on this deal. And if you have any doubts or questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll take a look at them, every single one of them. Until then, bye guys.